Okay, I'm recording. That's a 7-inch disc on there?
Yep. We'll get a tape on it real quick.
Oh, that's fine. So it just basically is a 2-axis, X and Y, or do you have Z also?
You do have 3 axes. Yep.
Because you have Z.
Yeah, we got
there.
Z here.
Okay, and then you got
Y,
X there.
and X.
And then you got Y there. And it's a tool grinder. That's what you guys used to use it for, right?
Yep.
Grinding tools?
Grinding tools or surfacing something to high polish.
So grinding tools or surfacing. Now we got some tooling down here. Looks like you got a spindle that you put on the table, and I don't know what you do with that. That's just for...
It should be a rotary indexer if you have
right.
if you had something clamped in here at 0 degrees and you needed to put a face on it at 17
right.
or 33
right.
degrees.
So, yeah,
you can index that angle exactly.
Yeah, that's exactly what it looks like.
In 2 planes.
When I first saw it, that's what I thought.
And this will go in 2 planes. So
right.
that's like your tooling grinder.
Right, and then you got some other fixture in here. Looks like you have
odds and ends for various.
Yeah, looks like you got a center, some holder there or something, or spindle holder, and you got a live center or dead center holder.
That's a dead center, yep.
Dead center, and then you got some kind of clamping thing, clamping fixture that goes onto the table. Looks like.
Yep, I don't know if.
Yeah, it's just some miscellaneous.
It's kind of an indexer, probably.
This is a nice little rotary index.
Yeah, this guy right here.
Can you put that up on the table real quick? I just want to show it up on the table. Normally we have. Yeah.
That guide slot.
There you go. Yeah. However,
so when she's bolted down,
looks like you got some other kind of gadget. Yeah, it just fits right there in the slot. Yeah, there you go. Exactly how it goes. Looks like, yeah.
Of course, that wants to fight me.
There you
Falling
go.
down.
There you go. That's perfect.
Stay put.
Let me get a good look at that real quick.
Yep, sorry.
That's fine. Yeah. That's a cool little gadget.
Yep. Spindle out.
It's a rotary index. Yep. With a drill chuck that goes in it.
Yep.
Yep. Okay, good enough.